Kakaparamko ko lang. Tapos nakita ko itong comedy sir. So dito ako sa kabina ko ngayon. Yan, tapos sa kama ko. Tapos nalamig pa ng aircon. 24/7 yung aircon dito. So yes po sir, hindi po ako artista. And I am not feeling artist. Hindi ko po pinangarap na maging artista. Hindi ko po papangarapin yung maging artista po. So I am a marine engineer. So as a marine engineer, we are always make sure that the main propulsion of the ship are working 24/7 kapag nakamaniobrada yung barko or naka-enroute yung barko. And if naka-standby naman, yung mga auxiliary machineries or other machineries na nagagana, we are always making sure na it's working 24/7 and in good working condition. And when I say ship or vessel, di lang po basta-bastang barko. So, yung barko po namin ni maintenance namin has a capacity of 223,000 cubic meter with a dead weight po of 200,000 and a gross tonnage of 102,000. Tapos driven po with the main propulsion of 15,131 kilowatt. At kapag sinasabi yung barko namin ganyan kalaki, diba? Which cost around roughly 54.27 million US dollar. So yan po yung mini-maintenance namin dito. Yeah, I am a marine engineer and I am also considered with the 80% of the world trade. So kasama po ako dyan. We are the underrated heroes of today's generation. We make the world move. So the house that you're living, the foods that you can see in your fridge, the car that you are driving, the clothes you are wearing, cell phones or the gadgets, electronic gadgets na ginagamit nyo po. We import and export yung mga raw materials po niyan from one country to another country. So we deliver them for you, para po sa inyo. Kung alam nyo lang po yan. And hindi ko po pamangarapin maging artista. Because of my profession right now, kung ano po yung meron ako ngayon, kung ano po yung ako now, it has a great impact sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. So never po ako mangarap na maging artista. Because of my profession now, all I can say is just more than an artist. And I am so proud of that. I am so proud of to say that I am an OFW, a seafarer or a seaman, a marine engineer specifically. So I will never question na lang about yung ambag nyo because I know na you are a cloud chaser. So again, hindi po ako artista. I am not feeling artist and hindi ko pinangarap at mangangarap. Hindi ako mangarap na maging artista. Because I am a seafarer and I am an underrated heroes of today's generation. We make the world move. We deliver everything to you. Everything. Ingat po sir. Thank you.